All right, guys, we're now recording.
Good.
Give a long ass response and then forget to record. Oh, Jerry, look what I got here, bro. Look what I found. You're probably in a meeting right now, aren't you, Jerry? Probably in a Vodafone meeting. Let's see what he said. Haha, yep. Here we go. I think this will happen. We'll see.
Profits, baby.
Wow, GBP pairs. Interesting. I'm not sold on this continuing though. I think it might have like another little like tap up and then like push way back down.
That's TJ, right?
Yeah, most GBP pairs
Yeah.
though look the same. I don't know where the trend will start to continue. Maybe like somewhere down in here, maybe.
I actually hopped on a sell on GJ. I literally put the link on the chat.
Yeah, I'm thinking it'll go down from here.
Yeah, same. I literally hopped on a sell. I had a sell that I made last week, put into profit, and then the same one right now. Almost the same one.
Oh,
I got
you're
that last drop there just before this one.
yeah,
Yeah, that one. I caught that whole drop there.
you're in GBP AUD.
Sorry, sorry, AUD. My bad. My
Yeah, yeah,
bad.
no,
My
no,
bad.
no. But it's like the same sort of thing. Like most of them look the same. Um, oh well, I mean to me, GA looks like she's in a fucking range. I don't even know which way this thing might go. I don't
No,
know.
he had a lost drop last week on the same price that I sold that I just sold. So I'm thinking it's just gonna keep going down because it was in a range, but then if you see there, it's making actually a smaller range towards the bottom there, where the price is at the moment. It's literally bouncing there. It's not going any higher than where is it now. So in my opinion, it's just gonna keep pushing itself down now.
Yeah, it could do anything. I don't know. I have no idea. These trading ranges are great areas for people to just get fucked raw with no lube. Just like
Well, I'm going for it.
form some highs and lows and then it wipes those out and then you get on the other side and then it comes back and then it fucking whips around and you're just like, what is going on over here? Have mercy. See, like this is the shit I'm talking about. Like form some highs, wipes it out, reverses. You're a buyer, you got stopped out. You're a seller, you got stopped out. Right here, whips below the lows. And then same thing up here, whip below the lows, right back up. And then we go in, form another high, wipe out above, then go fucking past that. And then buyers start trying to participate. We're back in, then we whip down, then took out fucking that low over there. I'm like scared of ranges, bro. I got caught into a range. The Bitcoin trade I took this weekend. I don't know if it was technically a range. It looked fine to me, but I stopped on this one. Analysis was 1 hour. So this is what I was seeing at the time the trade was placed. So I looked
Mhm.
at this and I was like, this sneakily looks like it might be a fake out, but still like we've already had like a spike below the zone here and then push back up. Then we found support here. Then we formed higher lows. I was like, I think it'll at least try to make a run for this daily zone. I'm like, it'll at least probably try to come back up to 62K and then maybe reverse from there. I'm not sure. But no, within what, an hour? Nope, 2 hours. Nope, 3 hours. Bam. It's just gone.
Damn.
And then now, like, Yeah, bro, look, see, this is the shit that happens. Cause if I were to try to trade this again, I would have gotten fucked. It's so like nasty.
Yeah, man.
Cause then you got like price spiking below the lows, whips out past the high again, comes right here, whips out past these lows. Then it comes all the way back up here and wipes out those highs. And then it's just like, whoa, it's like a roller coaster that's like not tied down to the tracks very well. It's like,
Hmm.
whoa.
Man. I'm actually like, I was actually looking like, what the heck happened to Dogecoin over the last week? Jesus Christ, that thing just dropped, like insanely
Yeah.
dropped.
Did you see my professional analysis I shared last week?
Yeah,
Oh, is that
was so
still,
professional.
did I
Yeah,
ever
it's still
share that?
there.
Because
I think you
I
shared.
deleted it off my
I saw it
chart.
on your Instagram.
I deleted it off my chart in case I
No,
was
but
like,
I could actually see it dropping because like I was actually looking at the charts last week because I had a lot of my friends who were just talking about crypto and they're like, yo, I'm gonna buy Dogecoin, it's gonna go up to $1. And I'm like, dude, if you look on the charts, it's about to crash. And people are like, no, are you crazy? Don't you see what's happening? It's gonna go up to $1, it's gonna go to the moon, baby. And I'm like, dude, it
yeah,
literally broke last week, it literally broke the all-time highs and then came back down by literally crushing it with a single candle on the 1 hour chart, literally broke the previous high and then started retesting that high. And I'm like, dude, this thing's about to drop. There's no way. He broke the previous high, started retesting with huge wicks being left behind. There's no way this thing is gonna go up. And then, yeah, came up last week. I mean, how many days was that actually?
yeah, I'm trying because it's like almost a week ago.
Yeah, when you said I was actually looking on Thursday, and I was like, this thing is gonna drop on Thursday, and then I was like, it's about to drop over the weekend, and then yep,
Yeah,
literally dropped
I didn't share that
crazy.
analysis in here, but it was like
I
funny.
think you put it on your Instagram, I think.
Yeah, it's on Instagram. Bro, wow, fuck, it did. Holy shit. I was a little bit early to the party, man. I got there a little bit early, but and obviously I didn't trade this. What I think I called it, I think it was like somewhere like up
Yeah, it
here.
was somewhere there. Yeah, you said it was going to make another high and then drop the whole thing.
I had
You literally said it.
like the inverted dick continuation pattern. We're gonna come back down here below the right nut. We're gonna retest the tip of the right nut before then falling down to the base of the shaft, which will
I don't know.
be
I
maybe
don't know,
five
man.
cents again. I'll buy Doge if it gets to 5 cents, maybe.
No, no. If it's back to 5 cents, I'll definitely buy a whole lot of it. But now I'm not touching a Dogecoin.
Doggy coin,
Doge, Doggy coin.
dog coin.
I don't know, man. People just talk too much shit without knowing. It's crazy.
TJ says I'm waiting on the 4 hour close for GJ. If price closes
GJ.
below, be a good short. Opportunity lower time frames up to the 152 area. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'd probably front run it at like 152.4, but yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
TJ, fuck. Somebody bought Doge because they were quote unquote bored. Ooh, boring just turned to pain.
No, I had people. I don't know if you're on Clubhouse, and there's literally a room that people talk about cryptocurrencies. And then come this guy, and they're like, yo, I bought Dogecoin, was back in like 40 cents, and now it's 70. I'm gonna keep holding. I'm gonna buy like $3,000 more of Dogecoin now at 70 cents. And I'm like, dude, I think you should hold on that buy right now at 70 cents. That thing's about to crash. And like, no, I'm gonna be putting like 2 to 3K on it because I feel like it's gonna go to $1. Everyone is talking about it. And like, dude, do you have any experience on cryptocurrencies and market at all? It's like, nah, man, I just got into the hype of Dogecoin back in the day when people were starting talking about it. I just bought it. And I just feel like I'm gonna hold it and buy even more. And I'm like,
Yeah,
dude,
they're
you need to
just
go learn a bit.
yeah, they're just not like how should we call it? Like financial market literate. Yeah, it's sad because like this, I mean, it's enticing for people. Like when people would tell me shit like about like little penny stocks they thought were gonna blow up back when I was just a lad getting into this. I mean, I would just hear shit and I just believed it. I didn't know the whole like market and then news and manipulation and all the sharks and piranhas in the water. I didn't even know that existed. I was
Mhm.
just like, everyone's saying it's gonna go up. Surely it'll go up. There's nobody on the other side of the end of the market trying to fuck me over. I mean, surely, right? I just didn't know. And so like now it's like the
Yeah.
same people that were in our position when we started, they just hear like Doge, 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 Doge. And they're just like, all right, it's logical to buy Doge. Everybody's
Doge.
saying it's gonna go up, literally. Bam, 50% crash.
No, I feel sorry for the guy who invested 3,000. I hope he didn't, because that would be really sad. You invested 3,000 like Wednesday last week, and right now is almost down 50%. So that would be just sad.
Yup.
I 10 to like Grant Cardone.
Yeah. Tell me. All right, I'm gonna try to find a crypto. Shut up. I was hoping Dash might pull back. Oh, Dash did pull back. Didn't close bullish though. I'm gonna wait, see if that candle closes bullish.
I have a meeting right now. I'm about to leave. I'll be back in like
Cool,
half an
man.
hour, 40 minutes. You guys still here? Cheers, everyone.
Yeah, have fun, bro. Bye.
Thanks, man. Bye.
PRB, where's the zone at? What the hell? Wow, a lot of cryptos in just a range right now. Cardano's been going good. Looks like she's gonna crack back down for the time being. Fucking alpha. Binance coin. Ooh, it's this Litecoin. I'm gonna watch for LTC. I didn't expect it to set up, but I'm gonna watch. Everything else looks like it's kind of sideways in crypto, so I'm not gonna jump the gun on anything. Chainlink looks all right. Wi-Fi, I don't know. Range. Whew, all sideways. Yeah. Only good stuff I see on crypto for me is this Dash trade. That what's his name is already in. Steven's already in this trade, and then LTC. Potentially Ethereum, but I don't expect this thing to pull all the way back there. closed EJ early on Friday, she would have come up for the target. Which is okay because I'm still happy. Still happy with my EJ trade, but oh shit, where are the previous highs at? Wow. 133. Yeah, what? I'm gonna hop in a short on EJ. I'm gonna do low risk. If she breaks above and closes, I'll just close. That's 0.8. Cool. Alexandra, you got kicked out from EJ. Were you not paying your rent? How'd you get kicked out, bro? Make sure you pay that lease on EJ, bro, or she'll be like, hey.
Yeah, it was a early entry. So with that spike, I got kicked out.
That's why I wait for liquidity spikes first before taking trades. When you go up and you start see price accumulating at the higher time frame zone, let it like, go sideways, then let it just wait to see if this shit happens. It won't always happen, but wait for it to just like boom, whip
Yeah.
up, let it crash back into the zone. And when it comes back up to retest that level, just enter right there with the stop right above the previous high. And then you can have your target set at the next zone further down.
Yeah, it was just a try. It was a low risk trade. And it is what it is. On the next one.
Yeah, bro, on to the next one, man. Just gotta snort some cocaine. Keep on trying. How's your trading going though, man? Are things progressing?
Yeah, it's going good. It's going good.
That's awesome, bro.
I just banked some money with NZD USD.
Were you in a buy or a sell?
I was in a buy.
Yeah, I assume you're in a buy.
Yeah. On that level down there. On the H4. Down there. Yes, sir.
That wick though. And I see a wick coming to a higher time frame support zone and just rejecting. I'm just like,
Yeah,
hey, baby,
exactly. Yeah.
what's going
I was
on? And
like,
you?
yeah, is the time. Let's get in.
Tony, looking for a pullback on AU to a 4-hour retest of support at 78. I am with you, good sire. Yeah, this zone looks a little bit safer. Especially on the daily. It looks way safer on the daily. Maybe like right here. Because that's where everything's closing. There's also this little tiny kind of like extreme wick zone. You might see price like congest a little bit there. I like your zone better, 0.78. That looks a little bit more reliable. Be a big pullback. Which, I mean, it'll occur eventually if it's gonna go down. If it's gonna go downtown, bro, it'll occur eventually. Vlad,
Hey, hi dear. What's going on?
everything's going good. How is Russia?
Russia is fine. You know, we have a sunny, exactly, and it's so wonderful because last couple of weeks we have a very cold the weather. It was so bad for me, and I am really waiting for sunny, and it's good. I like it.
But you come to Texas, it's always summer.
Yes, summer, yes, summer.
It's like 2 or 3 months out of the year where it's kind of cold, but the rest of the time, like right now, bro, it's like 80 every day. You'd be smiling right here, holding your vodka. You'd be like, I love Texas summer.
Yes. Listen, bro. What about your new books? The book about Wyckoff system, Wyckoff trading system. Did you read it?
Yeah, I'm almost done with it. I'm like 75% of the way through. The
Mm.
guy who wrote it, Ruben, dude, his grammar in the book is really, ooh, it's like the way he uses certain words. It's and there's a couple words in there that he almost like appears to have just made up because I've never heard them before and I can't find them in any dictionaries. So the wording is kind of like funny. However, it's good information and good content overall. The only complaint I have is that some parts of the book are in like broken Spanish, and then some of the fucking diagrams are in Spanish. So it's like you're trying to read the English explanation that he's giving while making up words that don't exist. And then also it's just he's just like, yeah, just refer to the diagram, but the diagram's in Spanish, and you're like, holy shit. So outside of those things,
Can
like,
you imagine? Can you imagine how I learned on English?
yeah, it's like, yeah, bro, I learned Wyckoff in Spanish, so I only know how to teach it in Spanish. So the rest of you guys are fucked, man.
It's funny. It's funny. I like Spanish too. I know a couple of phrases. Hola, me llamo
Yeah.
Vlad. Yeah.
Hola,
Hola, yes.
me llamo Nick.
Yeah.
Soy un trader, Wyckoff Espanol trader.
What about your trading? How's going on?
I've lost like 16 million the past week, so just kind of like hoping it works out.
16 millions?
Yeah, well, 15.8 million technically, but yeah.
I see.
Fucking with you, bro. Dude, did you not see the YouTube video? I covered all the trades I took last week. It's going pretty good. Like last week was nice, it was profitable. Crypto and FX was profitable. I'll drop the link here in the chat, so you can here we go.
Let's see.
Yeah, but I break down all the different trades I took and the different.
Hi, what's going on?
Okay.
Yeah, the intros. Don't play the intro loud around your parents. Like, just wait till you get like about a minute into the video, and then.
In the picture, you have a ring. Yes, on your finger. I see.
Yeah. Bonnie and I are getting married soon. It's just like,
Really?
yeah, it's like a promise ring, but like it's not
Uh,
like we're not all into the whole marriage thing. We're not into the whole social norm thing. We're not into religion. We're not.
I
We're,
drink a juice. I drink a juice for your for your family.
thank you, man.
God
I'll
bless
drink some juice for yours too. But
you.
yeah,
Thank you.
we're not into the whole officiated, official, formal stuff about life. Like for our wedding, we're literally gonna go to the courthouse and just
Mhm.
tell the judge, hey man, we're getting married. They're gonna give us the license. He'll be like, all right, you're now married, and we'll just kiss each other and we'll just fucking leave and go home and get back to work. We're not gonna have like a wedding or a honeymoon or anything. Because we like our daily life better than anything else. So
Mhm.
it's like we don't really enjoy traveling. We don't really enjoy being away from everything for too long. Like we love every day waking up and just grinding, getting to work. So yeah, and marriage, like we just the only reason we haven't gotten married is just we just haven't gotten around to it.
You
That's
know,
it.
it's very interesting experience because I know what it doesn't mean. I was married to a couple years ago. It's really interesting.
Yeah.
So I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. Do you think about children?
Yeah, we're probably gonna have kids in the next year or two. She's like, bro, she's like 36 and I'm 26. So I didn't want to have kids till I was like maybe 30, if at all. She's
Mhm.
to the point where she's never wanted to have kids until she met me. So now she's like changed at the last minute at a very crucial time in her life. Because like when you get to be like, as old as she is, like 36, 40, even older, it
Mhm.
becomes like more dangerous, like from a medical standpoint to try to have kids. So yeah, bro. Yeah, we'll probably have kids in like a year or two or three. I don't know. I just told
Oh.
her like, I'm like, let's just get our fucking house first, and then like, let's then after that, like, then we'll worry about it in like a year or two. Because right now, like, I'm having fun. I like my life. I like spending time with her. I like trading. I like running my business. I'm not sure I want little mini Nicks running around just yet. I think after a year or two or three would be like better. But it's whatever. It's life, man. It's not like we're getting out alive.
Yes, it's true.
100 years from now, I will be dead. And if I have kids, my kids will likely be dead. Hey, Nick, what's your knowledge for CJ? CAD JPY, CHF JPY, or something else? CAD JPY, right? It looks bullish, but I wouldn't buy it right now, man. This 1 hour, sorry, it's 4 hour. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's gonna drop, bro. Kind of looks like it's gonna like drop, like maybe to here or something. I don't know. I got no idea, bro. Looks bullish, but I just wouldn't buy it right this second. Shit, US dollar looks like it's gonna fall off of a cliff. Wow.
I think it's not USD, it's Canadian dollar. Yes, gross.
Actually, no, you could be right because CAD has been whipping really far up. US dollar, because US dollar has almost been kind of strong.
Mhm.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, this is probably CAD that's driving this thing. This is so scary right here. Imagine trying to trade all this shit, getting caught in a range.
Mhm.
This whole time here, like I've only got, I think, like 2 trades. one break even and then one profit for just fucking 2 units of reward. But holy shit, I avoided this range the whole time. Thank the Lord if there is one. Otherwise I would have been like whipped around. Okay, I'll do one last swipe through all these pairs and then we'll wrap up the live session. So GJ, I'm gonna wait for a crash back below the zone and look for sells, but everything's super bullish right now, so I'm staying away. Your JPY, I'm short right now, but I don't know. Price closes above the zone. I'll just wait for a retest and get out around break even. There could be a little swipe further up before a drop, but I think this is probably gonna try to drop for at least a little bit here. And like another up thrust, maybe. Euro GBP. Yeah, I don't know. Your AUD, don't know. Your NZD could see it bouncing up, but it's already tried and hasn't gone, so I don't know. Euro CAD, I don't know. Euro USD looks pretty bullish for now, but I don't know. AJ, super bullish. Very bullish. I'm gonna watch this. Pretty bullish. 80 NZD, nope. 80 CAD, sideways, USD. Scared of the US dollar. I think I might just leave this alone. I'll focus on AJ. That looks probably better. And you at resistance. I could see it drop right here, but we'll see. And J looks pretty bullish. Yeah, it looks pretty bullish. He's at highs right now though, so I don't know if I. Yeah, this almost looks like it might be a fake out and a little bit of a crash before it goes back up. I'm gonna just hold out on NJ. I'm gonna look at it probably tomorrow or something. Looks bullish, but I wouldn't buy right now. Too extended.
Nick, what do you think about gold?
Let me look at it here in a sec. Yeah, it's right down here. Look at gold and US 30. CADJ, I'm almost convinced looking at this again, Caesar. I'm almost convinced it might try to go bullish right now. In fact, actually, bro. No, I mean on the 4 hour the wick is not convincing, but on the 1 hour we've pulled back into this zone and now we're having like a bullish spike. I'm gonna buy this shit, bro. This looks good for a buy. Stop like there or something, a target somewhere up here. Yeah, I'm gonna buy CAD. I'll keep my eye on her all day, Cat J. And then we'll go look at USD pairs, then some dirty 30, and then gold. All right, CAD CHF looks so nasty. It's in a range. I took a trade last week, got stopped. Before that, I had a winner. I don't know. She looks like she's kind of trickling down for now. UJ, I'm kind of undecided. Got like this daily uptrend, but then we've got like this current range sort of broken back above the range. I don't know where price is gonna go. USD CHF looks pretty pretty bearish. I'm gonna look, since CAD is so strong, I'm gonna focus on maybe USD CHF and USD CAD sells. I'm gonna drag CAD to the top. It's really overextended, but even then, like the bearish momentum is just wiping this thing out. Euro CHF, I don't trade that pair, brother. I don't know. It looks like it's always going in a range to me. Euro CHF, based on the average daily range, is the most rangiest sideways pair ever in Forex. You can go look it up, but go and compare it against other pairs. That shit is just always going sideways. So I just don't trade it. EuroCAD, I already clicked through that. I don't see anything here, bro. Like it's bearish for now, but now it's making kind of like a reversal pattern, like sideways right here. It's like maybe inverted head and shoulders and this and that. So yeah, it could just continue down from this like resistance right there, or it could go back up here to make like a lower high and then fall. So I don't know. I'm not gonna bet my money on anything right now on EuroCAD. I don't know. So then there's your USD CHF. So I'm still bearish on both of these. US 30, yeah, finally broke above the highs of the range like I thought. Wow, this thing just rocketed. Yeah, this thing just rocketed. Nice, nice, yeah. Bullish on US 30 and gold probably, yeah. Wow, bullish. Vlad, I don't know about gold, bro. I mean, it looks bullish right now, but I just don't know. It's coming like to the top of its little daily downtrend thing right here. Got no clue, bro. But it looks bullish for the time being, at least. Yeah.
Be well.
Bless you, Mills.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, that's everything. And then for crypto, obviously, I'll call out any trades in the crypto channel if I take them. I'm looking at Dash for buys and I'm looking at LTC for buys if it comes lower. Ethereum train has already run off. Thank goodness for holding the actual fee, the spot for the physical token. Otherwise, I wouldn't be in at all. So I'm still banking off Ethereum, a couple other alts that are going up, but yeah, I don't see anything else right now. So yeah, pretty simple day today. So LTC longs if price comes lower, Dash longs if price closes bullish, which 2 minutes to the candle close. I doubt this is going to close bullish. If it does in the next candle, though, I'll take it. Steven and a couple of people are already in on this. I don't see anything else in the crypto market. Everything else looks like it's just kind of going sideways. So I'm just going to be chilling on that today. Other setups include GJ shorts if price breaks back below this soon. Euro JPY, I'm short right now on this pair. If price cracks above these highs, I'm just going to wait for a retrace back and close around break even. 80 JPY looks bullish, but I wouldn't buy right this second just because we're really extending out over the all-time recent highs. It's gonna, I could see it crashing first, but for the time being, it's bullish. Same thing on NJ. Not actively watching it though. I'm just kind of waiting. And then CADJ, which I'm gonna buy on CADJ right now. Price cracks below this zone though. I'm gonna just try to get out at a small loss or around break even. US 30 looks good for buys, but it's really shut up. I wait for a pullback. Same thing on gold. I'm undecided on gold. I don't know about gold, but US 30 looks pretty good for buys if there's just like a nice crash. Maybe like here to around 34.5. Yeah, 34.5, 34.6 would probably be a good area. Yeah, and whatever else I do, I'll call it in Telegram. So that's that. That's all I got. Y'all got any questions for me before we hop off?
Nah, we're good. We're good. I'm good.
It's good, bro. You could just send me some of your profits to my Bitcoin wallet. That'd be really good.
For sure. For sure. Yeah. Right now.
Yeah, right now, man. Watch out
And
with you
me
guys.
too. And me
Yeah.
too, please.
Yeah, Alexandra, since you're like pulling the whole team here, just go ahead and just send it to everyone's Bitcoin wallet.
Everybody,
Everybody making money.
you got some Bitcoin. You got
Make
some
our
Bitcoin. You got some Bitcoin.
Make
You
our
get a
team
car.
great. Just share the money.
Cheers, guys. Y'all have a good one.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
See y'all.
Bye to everyone.